Okay, some of the users are complaining that their Shadowrocket ClashX VPN from this website that I've been describing in the videos is not working anymore. No, it is working, but you need to clarify 2 or 3 important things so that double check and verify either it's something wrong on your end or it is the website. So first of all, important thing is go to your front page on this website after login in your account. Then make sure that you have access. Your bundle or traffic is not exhausted. It simply means the package you purchased is not expired. So make sure you check this message there. Then the other important thing is here, after verifying the first message, there is how many days are left in your package. And that is very much important. Traffic reset time. It will be written on your dashboard after logging in. So double check that what is the actual date for traffic reset if you purchased for a year, for a month, or for 6 months, or for 4 years, 2 years, whatever the duration is there. You double check that you are not running out of the time and your package is not expired. Then the third important thing is here. Because this VPN allows you to have certain amount of data or volume, so make sure you didn't consume all the data, all the volume you purchased from this website. Once these things are clear, just go back to Shadowrocket and let's say this is your subscription. And my subscription even expire in 2026, but it's not working because my traffic will reset on 15th of this month. That's why I'm unable to connect using this subscription. So make sure that this date is not contradictory. And if everything here on the website seems accurate, then do one more important thing. Just go to the I button of your subscription and delete this subscription. Now it's not there. So go back to your dashboard wherever you subscribed and import this subscription link again. I'm gonna open it. And here we go. It still says it's gonna expire in 2026. If I just click on connectivity test, it will show all the ping values. Only 4 servers are showing timeout. So I can just wait for October 15 to reset my traffic. Rest of the things are okay. So don't worry, nothing gonna happen. So now I'm gonna give you another website with a massive code that is also in my videos, and that is even faster. And the good thing is this website might be offering services only in China, but that is global. It simply means you can use that VPN in America, in Canada, in USA, UK, or Russia, wherever you want to use. You can use those proxy anywhere, but this website literally might be limited only to China. So go to this website. The link is in the description. Here you register with your email, and my initial coupon code is already given here. It simply means on first purchase you can use this coupon code that is included in the link, and you will get massive up to even 90% discount with this coupon code. Alright, after registering, just go to purchase subscription. Here are different packages. I subscribed even today just to demonstrate that this is working perfectly fine. I already subscribed, and with this email I subscribed today. I have so many VPNs. I wouldn't need so many subscriptions, but just for my audience I subscribed again just to test that what's going on. So once you subscribe any package, oh, by the way, I can give you another massive discount. I have already subscribed using that email, so I'm gonna create a temporary email to just give you a demonstration about that. I create an account, use this email, password could be anything. I register. Okay, save. Now go to purchase subscription. I choose this package. I recommend you to buy the bigger package. Use the coupon code, verify, and look at the price. Now 131 RMB gone. Now you don't need to pay 658 if you just go to order now, and you will see you need to pay only 526.40. That's a fair deal, right? I'm going back to my Shadowrocket, and here is VPN 7 I subscribed today, and I'm like opening it in front of you. Going to delete. All right, now I have already subscribed using this email. Gonna go to connect option, connect to VPN, copy the subscription, go to Shadowrocket plus icon, in the type select subscribe, In the URL section, just paste whatever you copied. Now hit on save button. Now you got this subscription. You can see the date is already written 11/10/2025. If I show you, they have more servers and it works globally anywhere in the world. Just go to connectivity test and here you will see the ping values. Lowest ping value is the better one. So here is Great Britain. If you want to connect this one, simply connect. Now I gotta show you in the setting, you see Shadowrocket is connected. I always give you examples of YouTube because right now I'm in China, so YouTube doesn't work in China. I just go to browser, open a new tab and open YouTube here. Perfect, right? You can open Google. Works the best. So I recommend you buying from VPN07, this website. It has massive discount as well. And the person who is connected to me for this affiliate is also a nice person. He actually replies on time. So services are really better here. Hope you fix the issue and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.